Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Geodnet has been making waves in the DePIN space, and for good reason of course. But before you buy one of their miners, there is something critical you need to know. In this video I'll help you decide if Geodnet is right for you by showing you what you need to check before purchasing. Geodnet is a massive project, so probably you already know what it is about. But if you don't know, Geodnet is a decentralized infrastructure project that uses GNSS technology to collect and validate geospatial data. This data is essential for real-world applications like autonomous vehicles, precision farming, and drone delivery. To start earning, users just need to buy the station and set up the Geodnet miner at home. Geodnet is probably my favorite DePIN project, and that's because they have real clients and use cases. The network built by Geodnet is already being used by many users. And the best part is that 80% of the total revenue of the Geodnet project is used to buy tokens at the current market value, and then they burn the tokens. At the moment they have already burned close to 9 million Geodnet tokens. This project has already proved that it's more than just a concept. Now let's take a look into the most important rules and see everything you need to check before buying the miner. If you're new to Geodnet, you need to understand how the X system works. In each X, only one user will be guaranteed to earn the maximum rewards. At the moment, the maximum rewards are 24 tokens per day. If you set up a station in a X where there is already one or more than one, you'll be sharing the rewards with the other users. The first user that sets up the station in a certain X will be able to earn an NFT that will guarantee him the max rewards each day. To receive the NFT, you will need to be the first to set up the station in a certain X, and you will need to achieve an uptime of over 98% over the last 30 days. So you will need to keep your miner running perfectly. If you take a look at the image that's showing on the display right now, you can see that one of the blue stations, they show as blue in the map, you can see that one of them has a red ring around it. This means that this station has an NFT, and this station will get 100% of the rewards, doesn't matter how many other stations are in that X. So that means that the station that has the NFT is earning 24 Geodnet tokens per day, and all the other stations will share an extra 24 Geodnet tokens. That means that if there are 10 stations, each one of them will only get 2.4 Geodnet per day. If you set up the station 100 meters or closer to another, you will not get any rewards. Only the first station that was set up will get the rewards. So if you already have a neighbor, for example, that's running the station, do not install it at your house as well. Sorry if I sounded confusing, but it's a bit hard to explain. Once you understand it, it's not that hard. Before buying the station, you need to check the Geodnet map. Just open the map, search Geodnet map on Google, and then search for your location or the location where you will install the miner. You can see the location I'm showing, there is only one miner, and this miner has the NFT, so it's earning the maximum rewards. But let's say that you live in a different region where there are already many different miners. You can see here, one of them has the NFT, this was the first miner to be installed, and they have a good uptime of over 98% for the month. So it has the NFT, it's earning the maximum rewards. And you can also see that there are two other stations, and these two stations are sharing 50% of the rewards. That means that each of them is only earning 12 tokens instead of earning 24 per day. And that's because they were not the first to join the X, and they have the uptime of over 98%. I'm calling it uptime just to make it easier, but in reality it's called rolling reward rate. Later in the video I'll show you how you can achieve a good rolling reward rate. It's quite easy at the moment, at least. I was able to achieve it in the first month just by keeping the miner online and installed in the good location. So with all of that being said, the best location to install your station will always be an empty X. That means that you'll be able to be the first station in that area, and you'll be able to earn the NFT and guarantee max rewards forever. So if you are able to install the station in an empty area, I recommend it. To receive the NFT, your average rolling reward rate for the last month will need to be over 98%. That value is very easy to achieve. You just need to make sure that you install the station in the correct way. Make sure there are no obstacles in its way. The antenna cannot be tilted, it needs to be straight up, and you need to have a stable internet connection to make sure that the miner doesn't go offline. If you follow all of these steps, you'll be able to easily achieve a rolling reward rate of over 98% and receive the NFT. At the moment you can earn 24 tokens per day, but every year there is an halving event, and this means that the rewards per miner are reduced annually. This means that next year, in June of 2025, rewards per day will be 12 Geodnet tokens. With the current market cap, you can expect to earn around $186 per month. If you see my monthly earnings, I'm not earning that amount because I'm sharing the rewards with someone else. Because a user in my X got their station 4 days before me, and that means that he was able to reach the rolling reward rate of over 98% before me. So I'm sharing the rewards with everyone that decides to join the X now. Currently the market cap of Geodnet is only 50 million. I think that it's very low, at least in my opinion, because this project has a lot of real use cases. If the market cap were to hit $250 million, earnings would be over $900 per month. As always, this is not financial advice, always remember to do your own research. I bought my station from HiFix, it's the official store from Geodnet, but if you want to buy from another store, I will also leave the links in the description. I also have a discount code that will help you save some money, so if you want to, you can use my code. If you have any questions or need help with anything, I will also leave the link to my Discord and Telegram in the description. For today, that was the video. Thank you a lot for watching and see you next time.